This is a final video to fix messaging app conflicts when you try to use two profiles on GrapheneOS. And yes, this problem frustrates many users every single day. Are you also facing issues where messages mix up, notifications break, or apps crash when you use the same messaging app on two profiles? This happens because GrapheneOS keeps profiles fully isolated, and many messaging apps still expect shared system services, so they fail to sync properly across profiles. Most videos on YouTube or tips on social media explain this in a confusing way with long settings lists and risky steps that feel hard to trust. But Rex has found a simple and safe trick that works cleanly without breaking system security. The secret is to install messaging apps separately inside each profile and manage notifications using GrapheneOS built-in profile settings instead of third-party tools. First, you create a second user profile. Then you install the same messaging app fresh inside that profile, without cloning or restoring backups. Next, you turn on background services and notification permissions only for that profile. This keeps both profiles fully separated and stops conflicts instantly. Your main profile stays clean, your second profile works smoothly, and your messages stay private and stable. This method keeps GrapheneOS security strong and avoids crashes that other tricks cause. Many Rex's viewers use this daily for work and personal accounts without issues. If this helped you understand the fix, comment below if you want a full